Hi, this is Anand from Geekstick. In this session, we are going to see how we are going to set an argument to the Python program from the Jupyter notebook and also adding shebang to the Python program. This is just extension of the last video. We are going to use the same program, what we have done to extract data from the flat file. Now, what we are going to do here is um, we are going to add an optional parameter or argument that we are going to pass. So last time what we did is we are extracting only the description which is having good. Now we are going to make it a dynamic. Either we can pass the value or we can choose the value that we would like to pass. So here what I did, I added this input like a sys, os and arg parse. Without argparse also directly I can get it from this argv. Here what I'm doing in the Jupyter notebook here dynamically I'm going to be able to add set pass the argument. So here I'm giving sys.argv with this extension like with these variables the own program name and hyphen description. This hyphen makes the magic that of to show it as an optional. Here by default here I'm passing this variable called good. That's it. Then here I'm printing what's the number of arguments. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 will give. And in the range, trying to find the length, I'm trying to print each and every value like this. See, it is showing these values. And then in the argument parser, here using this hyphen DSC, the default value is set to good. Then from this parse arg, then I'm trying to print its value here. It's coming, good is coming. Perfect. In case here if I set to bad, okay, let's see what the default value will be overdone by this bad. Then I'm trying to read the first line. In fact, this is not mandatory. Here I'm not going to print all the lines. Even then for our learning purpose, let me do this. Okay, here I got it, but again I will comment it back. Then I loaded all the values into this list. Okay, then I shortlisted all the required value into this DE bad. How this DE bad is getting up, and it's just a list. It's not going to have only that bad arguments. The description which is having the word bad. Okay, so the number of bad descriptions are 114. The total there is no change. It is going to be constant. Now, what I'm going to do, instead of pausing a bad, I'm going to give good. That's it. Okay, it became a good. I'm executing. So the good, you see, the good is coming. Now, if I don't pass any of its value, what will happen? Okay, only one argument. By default, the value is set to good. So that's what I'm trying to prove over here. Okay, so now as usual, what we are going to do here is I'm going to convert this IPONB file into the proper Python file. Let's convert this into the proper Python file like IPython nb convert or we read, that's it, to Python. Yes, now it got created. Let's open the file. Now it's an executable Python file. But here in this place, for a change, what I'm going to do, this program will be running good when I'm calling it from the PyTest. Right? In the PyTest, that virtual environment. Let me come out of this. Conda deactivate. Okay, it is working good. Now let me, because it is not having any special virtual the libraries, special libraries in this specific to virtual environment, so it is running good. Now again, I'm setting it back to, but so properly I need to give the shebang. So how may I choose the shebang? So what do I need to do? Let me activate Conda, activate PyTest, which okay, pwd, then which Python. Okay, it's giving, right? So I need to give this values into the shebang. Let me open. Or we read by, instead of using like this here, what I am going to do, let me give this value, because here what I have get, home vagrant slash anaconda, like this here I'm giving, so I don't need this anymore. So though it is not in this virtual environment, it will run successfully. So that is the purpose. And one more thing also I need to do, that is I should not set these values, like, yeah, the system argument I should not set, then otherwise then I may not be able to pass these values. I saved it. Now I'm going to run, or we read Python -dsc equal to bad. Oh, sorry, I need to give Python, or we read py -dsc. Yes, it came. Now let me pause. Good. It came for a good, right? Now without pausing anything, what will come? Good only has to come. Assume, let me run for a bad. Now again, without pausing any values, what will happen? It has to choose good, because by default the value is set to good, right? So this is what I'm trying to show over here. Then, and let me come out of this virtual environment. Okay, again if I run, it works awesome, because in the shebang I added this proper path, so it will choose from which virtual environment the Python needs to be taken, that will be taken appropriately. Fine. So next, what we are going to do, we will make it self-executable, because Python is already set in the shebang, right? Now, without giving Python, will it work? I'm trying to give like this, executable. Yes, it works, because I set to X. So I don't need to give Python also. How I need to set, assume -X, or we read py. Will it work? No. Then I need to set to executable permission I need to give. Now it works good in the way I expect. Perfect. So that's what we have seen in this session, that we can pass a default value in the optional argument, or we can set a specific value to the argument and we can run, and we added shebang to the specific virtual environment, and dynamically we can choose the value from the list and we can get appropriate statistics. Thank you.